Are you the best power twisters? These versatile devices can enhance your workout routine without taking up much space. Perfect for home gyms and portable enough to use anywhere. Power twisters use a tension system, allowing you to adjust the resistance level to suit your needs. List number: Calcelli Power Twister Bar, upper body exercise for chest arm workout equipment. Transform your workout routine with the Calcelli Power Twister Bar. Perfect for enhancing your chest, arms, and shoulder strength. This exercise tool offers adjustable resistance from 20 to 44 pounds. Boosts muscle growth effectively, strengthens forearms and biceps with regular use, ideal for home workouts or gym sessions.
Advantages: boosts upper body strength with regular use, simple and effective. Compact design makes it easy to store or travel with. Targets multiple muscles: chest, shoulders, biceps, and forearms. Adjustable resistance suits beginners and experienced users alike. Affordable workout tool for enhancing arm and chest muscles.
List number: Twister Arm Trainer, 30 to 120 pound adjustable twister arm chest exerciser with 4-spring and training poster for men and women. Achieve stronger muscles with the Twister Arm Trainer. Adjustable resistance from 30 to 120 pounds, fits everyone's needs. 4 durable springs provide a solid workout for your arms and chest. Includes a helpful training poster for guidance. Detachable design makes home fitness convenient and easy. Perfect for both men and women aiming to enhance their upper body strength. Advantages: build strength in arms and chest with adjustable resistance levels. Easy to customize. 4 powerful springs ensure effective, versatile workouts. Perfect for everyone. Detachable design offers easy storage and portability. Great for travel. Includes a training poster to guide exercises. Enhances workout efficiency. Suitable for both men and women. Ideal for diverse fitness goals. List number: East Mount Twister Arm Exerciser. Adjustable 22 to 440 pounds hydraulic power. Discover the East Mount Twister Arm Exerciser for a powerful upper body workout. Adjustable between 22 to 440 pounds, it's perfect for all fitness levels. Strengthen your chest, shoulders, and arms right at home with this versatile equipment. Hydraulic power ensures smooth, consistent resistance for effective muscle training. Compact and easy to use, it fits seamlessly into your daily routine. Enhance your strength with every session. Advantages: boosts muscle growth efficiently. The adjustable resistance offers a customizable workout. Perfect for enhancing arm strength and chest muscles. Hydraulic power provides smooth, consistent resistance, ideal for home workouts. Improves shoulder muscle training. Compact design fits any space, easy to store. Provides versatile exercises for upper body. Targets different muscle groups effectively. Enhances exercise experience with durable construction. Built for long-lasting use. Sturdy design ensures safety during workouts. Reliable equipment for dedicated fitness enthusiasts. Supports fitness goals with adjustable settings. Suitable for varied fitness levels. Helps beginners and advanced users alike. Progress at your own pace. Facilitates convenient home fitness routine. No gym membership needed. Save time traveling to the gym. Exercise in the comfort of your home. List number: Power Twister Bar, 44 lb, arm and forearm workout equipment for men and women. Experience the Power Twister Bar, designed for effective arm and forearm workouts. Built with heavy-duty spring steel, it strengthens wrists and chest muscles. Non-slip handles ensure a safe and comfortable grip during exercise sessions. Ideal for both men and women. This fitness tool enhances home gym setups effortlessly. Boost your fitness journey with this versatile and durable workout equipment. Advantages: strengthens arms and forearms efficiently. Compact and practical design. Heavy, dewy spring steel ensures durability and long-lasting use. Non-slip handles provide a secure grip during workouts. Suitable for both men and women. Versatile fitness tool. Perfect for home gyms. Easy to integrate into routines. List number: Zanu's Power Twister Bar 20 kg Chest Exerciser for Men. Experience a powerful workout with the Zanu's Power Twister Bar 20 kg. Perfect for strengthening your chest, shoulders, and arms. This chest exerciser is designed for men seeking to enhance upper body strength. The durable ripstick offers effective resistance for biceps and forearms. Enjoy building muscle and boosting endurance with each session. Ideal for home workouts and fitness enthusiasts. Advantages: enhance upper body strength effortlessly with Xenu's Power Twister Bar. Compact design allows easy storage and transport. Perfect for home workouts or on-the-go exercise. Target multiple muscle groups: chest, shoulders, forearms, and more. Adjustable resistance caters to all fitness levels.